Hello everybody. On this part of my Utah adventure, we're headed into the no man's land west of Caneville Reef to see what we can find. Boy, I'll tell you, this place is incredible. It's like a scene out of a movie. It doesn't even look real. So I'm in an area that's to the west of the Factory Butte area. It's no man's land out here. In fact, I don't even think you can get out of here. You have to backtrack. But there's a canyon that the road ends at, so I'm going to go check it out. So this is really wild, out here in the middle of nowhere. There's this, I guess it's a survey marker? It's got some like Wayne County and numbers on it, so I don't know what it is. Check it out. I think there's a date at the bottom that's 11/9/59. So that's crazy. No idea. So I'm headed back to the main road now, but along the way there's all kinds of side canyons, like the canyon we just looked at with the drone. So I thought I'd stop and have a look. Let's go see. It's time to head back to Factory Butte and find a campsite. But in the meantime, let's enjoy the scenery along the way.